So good morning students. Today we are starting with our next point of the chapter, that is third point known as plant pathology. Now before starting to the point, we all must know what is meant by plant pathology. Plant pathology, it is nothing but a scientific study of diseases which are caused into the plants by pathogens or environmental conditions, and the study of that diseases which are caused to plants by pathogens. Pathogens means which pathogens? Bacteria, viruses, fungi, actinomycetes. That pathogens or any environmental condition like rainy, then smoke, due to what diseases are caused, and the study of that whole diseases in plant is known as a plant pathology. Now again the diseases are of two types depending upon the disease cause. First one is the infectious disease which are caused by the living organism and so called as pathogens, and second type is non-infectious diseases are caused by the environmental stress, and these are not transferred to one plant to another plant. Okay, there are two types of diseases. First one, infectious disease which are caused by the pathogens, and non-infectious disease which are caused by the environmental stress, and these non-infectious diseases are not transferred from one plant to the another. There are main three critical conditions must exist for disease to occur. If only one part of a triangle occur, disease will not exist, and that three conditions which may exist to cause disease is susceptible host, the environment, suitable environment, and the pathogen. These are the three critical conditions which must exist to occur a disease. एखादा डिसीज एखाद्या प्लांटला व्हायचं झालं तर त्याला तीन इम्पॉर्टंट कंडिशन्स आहेत. एक तर ससेप्टिबल होस्ट लागतो, दुसरा एन्व्हायरमेंटल कंडिशन चांगली लागते, आणि पॅथोजन. हे तीन असल्याशिवाय काय होऊ शकत नाही, प्लांटला डिसीज होऊ शकत नाही. आणि ह्या तिन्हीपैकी एक, इफ ओनली अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल ऑकर, एकच जर असेल, पॅथोजन असेल आणि होस्ट नसेल तर डिसीज होणार का? नाही. एन्व्हायरमेंट आहे, होस्ट नाही, डिसीज होणार का? नाही. होस्टच नाही, एन्व्हायरमेंट आणि पॅथोजन आहे, डिसीज होणार का? नाही. म्हणून इफ ओनली अ पार्ट ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल ऑकर, डिसीज विल नॉट एक्झिस्ट. Then again, towards our main point of this, common symptoms. In this we are going to study common symptoms which are produced by common plant pathogens are given below. We are going to study three common plant pathogens and their diseases. First one is a common symptom produced by pathogenic fungi. Second is common symptom produced by pathogenic bacteria, and third one common symptom produced by viruses. Now pathogenic means disease causing, right? So starting with first one, common symptoms produced by pathogenic fungi, under which there are 12 different types of diseases which are caused to plant. First one, blight. Now blight means what? Blight is a type of disease. The name of disease is blight. These are nothing but the appearance of streaks on leaves. Now streaks means on the agar plate we streak, right? We streak by 4 quadrant method. That type of streaks or lines is known as streaks. Appearance of streaks on leaves, stems, tubers and fruits that include early and late blight. म्हणजे लगेच फंगाईने अटॅक केल्या केल्या एकतर त्या स्पेसिफिक फ्रूटवर, लीफवर, स्टेमवर स्ट्रिक येतात किंवा लेट येतात. and these streaks are seen on tomato, potato. Due to blight, affected plant पार्ट वेदर्स. ब्लाईट झाल्यामुळं काय होतं तर ज्या ठिकाणी ब्लाईट होतो तिथलं प्लांट काय होतं, विदर होतं. विदर म्हणजे काय होतं, ड्राय आउट होतं. अँड श्रिव्हल्स मीन्स टू बिकम स्मॉलर ड्यू टू ड्राय कंडिशन. इकडे ड्राय झालं की इकडे काय होणार, पुन्हा त्याची वाढ पुढे होणार नाही आणि ते कसं होणार, स्मॉल इन साईज होणार. विदाउट रोटिंग, कुजत तर नाही पण विदाउट रोटिंग स्मॉल इन साईज दिसतात. नाव हिअर यू कॅन सी इन द पिक्चर, this is a blight which is caused, streak like pattern caused on tomato, and these are the blight which are seen on the potato. Okay, these are only disease causing to this fruits or to the vegetables. They do not cause any harm inside. असे बटाटो खाल्ले किंवा असे टोमॅटो खाल्ले तर आपल्याला काही इनसाइड अवर बॉडी आपल्याला काय होत नाही, पण ह्या स्पेसिफिक पोटॅटो टोमॅटोला डिसीज कॉज करतात. Now second, under the common symptom produced by pathogenic fungi, second disease cause is canker. Canker means what? They are nothing but a crocky outgrowths consisting of dead areas on stem or fruits surrounded by living cortical tissues are called as canker. इथं बघू शकता तुम्ही ही डायग्राम दाखवली आहे इथं. क्रॉकी आउटग्रोथ्स म्हणजे झाड कट करून त्यातून काहीतरी असं क्रॉकी आउटग्रोथ आलेलं आहे विच कन्सिस्ट ऑफ व्हॉट? डेड एरियाज ऑफ अ स्टेम. त्या स्टेमचाच डेड एरिया बाहेर आलेला असतो ऑफ फ्लोटिंग सराउंडिंग द लिव्हिंग कॉर्टिकल सेल्स आर नोन एज अ कॅन्कर. अँड दीज सच टाइप ऑफ cankers, they often ooze out a slimy or gummy substances. You can see here this canker ooze out slimy and gummy substances here. Now third one, club roots. Club root means what? They are large swelling of roots, stunted growth or death of plant of cabbage family. They are large swelling of roots. Club root means huge, right? Club root, you can see here these are large swelling of root. रूटलाच काय होतं? असं स्वेल झाल्यासारखं होतं आणि त्याच्यामुळं काय होतं? स्टंटेड ग्रोथ और डेथ ऑफ प्लांट्स ऑफ कॅबेज फॅमिली. जे काही कॅबेज फॅमिली आहे त्यांच्यात हे क्लब रूट जास्त दिसून येतात आणि त्या फॅमिलीमध्ये त्यांची ग्रोथ कशी होते? स्टंटेड, शॉर्टनच राहते आणि कॅबेज फॅमिलीची काय होते? डेथ होते. ओके. नाव फोर्थ वन, अंडर फंगाय, डम्पिंग ऑफ. डम्पिंग ऑफ म्हणजेच काय? गळून पडणे हा अर्थ आहे डम्पिंग ऑफचाच. डेथ ऑफ सिडलिंग बिफोर सॉइल इमर्जन्स ॲज वेल ॲज द न्यूली इमर्ज वन्स. एकतर सॉईलमधून इमर्ज व्हायच्या आधीच डंप ऑफ होऊन पडतात किंवा नवीन सीडलिंग उगवल्याच डंप ऑफ होऊन पडतात. हे पण कोणामुळे होतं? काही वेळेला फंगाय, सॉईलमध्ये प्रेझेंट असणाऱ्या फंगायमुळे होऊ शकतं. फिफ्थ वन, मिल्ड्यूज. These are white spots or patches on leaves, shoots and other parts. Mildews म्हणजे काय? White patches on shoots, stem, roots and other parts. Again this mildew are of two type, downy mildew and powdery mildew. The downy mildew means here you can see this yellow color spot are known as downy mildew and this kills the infected plant fast. While powdery mildew you can see here white colored powder like. This causes stunted growth and reduces yield but do not kill the plant. दोन टाईपचे मिल्ड्यू म्हणजे काय? व्हाईट पॅचेस और स्पॉट्स ऑन लीव्स, शूट अँड अदर पार्ट्स. त्यात पण दोन टाईप आहेत, डाउनी मिल्ड्यू, पावडरी मिल्ड्यू. डाउनी मिल्ड्यूमुळं पूर्ण प्लांट डाय होतो आणि पावडरी मिल्ड्यूमुळं फक्त ग्रोथ स्टंट होते, प्लांट डाय होत नाही. सिक्स्थ वन इज रूट रॉट्स. रूट रॉट म्हणजेच काय? कुजणे, राईट? डिकेंग ऑफ रूटलेट्स दॅट कॉज स्टंटिंग अँड विल्टिंग. विल्टिंग म्हणजे गळून पडणे, ड्राय होऊन पडणे, दॅट इज नोन एज अ रूट रॉट. यू कॅन सी हिअर इमेज एखादी फंगाय. This is a fungi, white color fungi which has been infecting the rootlets. This short roots, secondary roots, it has been infecting the secondary roots and it is causing stunting the growth and afterwards wilting also will caused. Next, seventh one are rusts. Rust, the word name only suggests rust means गंज लागणे, right? Same. These are nothing but these are orange, brown or white spots on the leaves and stem. Rust गंजल्यासारखंच दिसतं. रेड, ऑरेंज और व्हाईट स्पॉट ऑन लीव्स इज नोन एज रस्ट विच आर कॉज्ड बाय अगेन फंगस. 8.1 Scabs. These are crocky and cracked lesions on fruit. Scabs means crocky and cracked lesions on fruit are known as scabs. You can see here in the picture scabs are occurred on the specific fruit. Now next one, leaf spots. Generally you all can see any part or any plant leaves in any season due to change in season or due to environmental stress or due to any this fungal infection. Various coloration on leaves you can see like yellow, green, grey, brown, tan, purplish, red or black colored spot on the plant part are produced by the species of fungi known as Alternera, Fusarium and Cercospora etc. These are the various leaf spots. You can see each one has a different color, brown, black, tan color. Okay. 10th one, stumps. Sorry, smuts. Smuts are nothing but they are the silver swelling or galls on leaves, flower and stem. Stumps, smuts means what? They are silver swelling, silver swelling असतं. You can see here in this is a leaf or maize plant which has silver swelling or galls. Okay, and they enlarge, darken and break out open to expose the mass of black fungal spore. मोठे होतात ते स्मट्स, गॉल, सिल्वर वॉल्स आणि नंतर काय होतात, after collection of spore inside a one gall, the gall will again burst and it will release the fungal spores. Okay, next one, fungal wilt. Wilt means what? To dry out is known as wilt. Okay, growth of fungi causes rotting and plugging of water conducting vessels, causing the leaves to wilt and finally the plant dies. Okay, fungal wilt means fungus काय करतो, स्पेसिफिक त्या प्लांटला काय करतो, वॉटर कंडक्टिंग टिश्यूलाच प्लग करतो, काढून टाकतो किंवा कट करतो आणि त्याच्यामुळे त्या वॉटरला, प्लांटला वॉटर सर्क्युलेट होणार नाही आणि त्याच्यामुळं काय होणार, causing the leaves to die and wilt and finally the plant will also die or the leaves will also die. Next, last one, anthracnose. Anthracnose. Okay, anthracnose is nothing but it is necrotic and sunken ulcers like lesions on plant parts. Ulcer, necrotic region means necrosis, the tissue has been damaged of the specific leaf is known as a necrotic lesion. Okay, or sunken ulcer म्हणजे छोटा अल्सर सारखं झालेला lesion is known as anthracnose. Okay, this were 12 diseases which are caused by common symptoms produced by pathogenic fungi. Now towards second one, common symptom produced by pathogenic bacteria. Same as that of fungus, bacteria also causes canker. Again, same definition, cankers are nothing but a crocky outgrowth consisting of dead areas on a stem, fruit surrounding by a cortical tissue are called as canker. And this canker often ooze out was a gummy and slimy substance. Already I have shown the diagram in the fungal disease. Hence again here I am not showing that. Second disease caused by bacteria, leaf spot. Already told, diagram has been shown into the fungus. When a bacteria attacks and kill leaf cells, spots appear on leaves. आता लीफ स्पॉट कसे येतात, एखादा बॅक्टेरिया, एखादा मायक्रो ऑर्गॅनिझम किंवा एखादा पॅथोजन एखादा लीफला तिथं त्या सेलला, लीफमधल्या सेलला जाऊन किल केल्यानंतर तिथला काय होतो, कलर चेंज होतो, तिथला वेगळ्या कलरचा, ग्रीन असलेला कलर सोडून वेगळ्या कलरचा स्पॉट येतो आणि दॅट आर नोन ॲज अ लीफ स्पॉट. Third one, wilts. Already diagram has been shown into the fungi, hence again not showing here. Growth of bacteria causes rotting and plugging of water conducting vessels and causing the leaves to wilt and again finally die, that are known as wilts. Last one, fourth one, galls. Galls or they are also known as solan knots. Solan knots म्हणजे knot म्हणजे असं फुगलेलं गाठ बांधल्यासारखं दिसतं ते, hence galls or solan knots. These are nothing but outgrowths or swellings of unorganized plant cells on root or stem. काही स्टेमवर किंवा काही रूट्सवर तुम्हाला असं गॉल आलेलं दिसून येईल, ब्लॅक कलरचा किंवा कुठल्याही कलरचा. दे आर नथिंग बट वॉट, गॉल्स और सोलन knots. Okay, this is also disease caused to plant by bacteria. Fifth one, soft roots. Soft roots are water soaked spots or blights on leaves, stem and fruit or the entire plant that lead to plant death. सॉफ्ट रूट म्हणजेच काय, एखाद्या फ्रूटच्या पार्टला, एखाद्या त्या स्पेसिफिक स्टेम, लिव्हजला त्या बॅक्टेरियाने अफेक्ट केल्यानंतर तिथं काय होतं, मॉइश्चर कंटेंट जर समजा जास्त झालं तर तिथं काय होतं, तिथला तेवढा जागा त्या स्पेसिफिक फ्रूटचा, स्टेमचा काय होतो, कंटेन वॉटर अँड फायनली इट विल रोट आउट और डाय. ओके, कुजणार आणि फायनली डाय होणार. This was all about the diseases which are caused by the pathogenic bacteria. Now we will move towards third one. Sorry, here by mistake it has been become two. Third one, common symptom produced by plant viruses. First one, mosaic pattern. Already you all know that mosaic pattern. These are nothing but infected leaves show irregular areas of green and yellow shades. Mosaic pattern means patchy variation of normal green color, and the leaves or fruit become mottled, that is mara equal to dagi, with patches of green and yellow shades. Mosaic आपण बघतो टोबॅको मोझाईक व्हायरस टोबॅको प्लांटवर होतो. तर टोबॅकोची पानं काय असतात, एकाच पानावर वेगवेगळे ग्रीन कलरचे पॅचेसचे आपल्याला शेड्स दिसून येतात. दॅट इज नथिंग बट द व्हॉट द TME virus has been attacked to that specific leaf and caused the irregular patches of green and yellow color on the specific tree. Okay, you can see here these are various green coloration shown here, and tobacco mosaic cause for tomato also shown here. Second disease caused by virus is rosetting. Rosetting is nothing but causes short and bushy growth. Rosetting, the name only has been suggested after rose-like structure. Hence, the name of disease is rosetting. This is short and bushy growth. The leaves and the side branches grow in a crowded circles from a common center, and that is like rosette, rose-like form. Hence, the name is given rosetting. Okay. रोझेटिंग हा म्हणजे डिसीज झाला व्हायरसमुळे तर काय होतं, ग्रोथ जी आहे ती एका सेंटरपासूनच आणि तिथूनच सगळे लीव्ज येतात, वेगवेगळीकडून येत नाहीत आणि असं गुच्छसारखं दिसायला लागतं, अँड दॅट इज rosetting disease. Okay, third one, a ring spot. This is nothing but the concentric circles like color of green, yellow, brown around a central area of a spot on the leaves. एक spot उठलाय, this is one spot, and surrounding it the concentric circle. Concentric म्हणजेच काय, असं तिथल्या तिथं गोल गोल त्याच्याच मध्ये येलो, ब्राऊन, व्हाईट कलरचे कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल्स आले की त्याला काय म्हणतो आपण, कसलं डिसीज, व्हायरसमुळे झालेला रिंग स्पॉट डिसीज. And the last one, leaf curl. It causes the leaf margin to roll either inward or outward, and it rather stiffs with yellowish margin. The leaves become thicker than normal with leathery structure. लीफ कर्ल म्हणजे काय, लीफ कर्ल होणे, एकतर व्हायरसने अटॅक केल्यानंतर लीफ इनवर्ड रोल होणार किंवा आउटवर्ड रोल होणार, राईट. आणि तसं रोल झाल्यानंतर मार्जिनमधून ती लीफ काय होते, थिक होते. लीफ रोल झाला की लीफची पुढे वाढ होणार आणि आहे तिथंच मास काय होतं, त्याचं सेल्स एकत्र येतात आणि त्याच्यामुळे आपल्याला लीफ कसं दिसून येतं, इट लुक्स लाईक थिकर दॅन द नॉर्मल विथ लेदरी स्ट्रक्चर. दिस इज हाऊ द लीफ रोल कॅन बी सीन. This was all about your main point, common symptom produced by pathogenic microorganism onto the plant. Okay, here we have ended this. Thank you.